Here is a 52-inch white Hunter Infiniti with a Hunter Spotlight kit installed here in the office. Replaced an SMC U52, and this is actually not permanent in here. I would like it to be, but both my parents have told me they preferred the look of the fan that was in here before, so I'm not going to put that back in here. But I have a Sierra stack motor hugger that's locked up. So once I fix that, I'll put it in here. It's pretty much the same thing as U52. Traditional styled hugger, except it'll have 6 blades. I could put either 5 or 4 on it, but I'd rather have all 6. Anyway, got a Hunter Spotlight kit on it. The light came from Richard Moss's house, and the fan came from the Huntsville, Alabama Habitat Restore. And it works great. Actually, let me just fix it there, so when I turn on the switch, nothing happens. And that way I control it all at the chains. It is flush mounted, by the way. It's like that when I bought it. The light, it's on a 3-way switch. And the fan is 3 speeds. Here's high. It does wobble. It's pretty hard to balance, but I will fix it. Yeah, you can see the wobbling. It's not that bad on high, actually, and it moves a lot of air. On medium, it's actually worse, I think. But it doesn't change the fact that I love this fan. When I was little and I lived in Chicago, I used to get Home Depot catalogs and look at the ceiling fans, and Hunter Infiniti was always my favorite, so I'm glad that I found this one. Of course, my favorite combination was the brass one that had the green shades on it. Yeah, that was nice. Here's the low. And off. Well, it's been down for a while, I'm sure. I haven't really watched it after I've turned it off. But it does need to be balanced though. But anyway, it was worse when I got it, so I've definitely improved how straight it runs, but there's still some work to be done. I should probably replace the grommets in the blades. They look kind of worn out. Anyway, that's that video, and I hope you enjoyed.